my new Olfa blade here. And if you turn your splash cutter over, there's a little slider here. All you have to do is pull that back and your blade comes off. So you don't have to twist any knobs or anything like that. Now I always give this a little bit of a clean out, so I want a cloth or a brush and just wipe that out. A tissue's fine. You always get some fluff in there. There's no point in having that in your nice new clean thing. So get in here as well. So that's nice and clean now, and we're ready for our new blade. So I'm going to take this one out of its packet. And you can keep this little plastic case. That's really handy for making sure you don't cut anybody when it's in the bin. Or else you could keep these and use them for cutting paper. So to stop myself having to handle the blade, I've grabbed this by that bottom there. I'm going to tip it into the case there. I'm just going to give that a wipe as well. So now I'm going to hold this blade flat against the plastic case, and then I'm going to tip that one onto my cutter. And then I'm going to get this piece and pop it in there, put my finger on that, turn it over, push it up, and it clips into place. And there's your new blade all ready to go. This one, I'll click it in. I can put that in the bin, or I can give it to somebody who's got another cutter that wants to cut some paper so that they don't pinch mine.